One of the biggest challenges facing our customers is the time it takes to discover and develop automations. Limited developer resources, difficulty in determining what business processes to automate, and limited details on the business processes that could be automated all result in lengthy development timelines, which limit the ROI you know can be attained with Automation 360. Autopilot and Automator AI reduce the time from discovery to automation from months to weeks. Let me show you how. Autopilot, part of the Automator AI feature set, which utilizes our native proprietary language model for automation, takes as input a business process description and transforms it into an automation outline with structure, code, and comments, giving the developer a head start on writing the automation. Next, also using our proprietary AI technology, the developer uses the Copilot for Automators and suggests next action features to turbocharge the development process utilizing AI prompts to assist in the coding process. Finally, when the automation is deployed in production, Generative Recorder with AI-powered self-healing reduces automation runtime errors. With Automator AI, you can now leverage the power of generative AI to increase developer productivity and reduce operational expenses. For Autopilot, in our latest release, we are expanding the number of types of business process discovery documents you can use with Autopilot to include Business Process Model and Notation, BPMN documents. BPMN is an industry standard for modeling and describing the flow, the applications, and the data utilized during the business process. Let's look at an example of how this works. Acme Bank is developing an auto loan processing service to expand their business into auto loan servicing for auto dealerships. Alan, the business analyst for the loan approval team, has modeled the auto loan approval process using a popular business modeling tool. His team requests that the automation team automate the process so that they can start providing loans to dealerships. Alan contacts Min, their automation COE lead, requesting she assess the process for automation. Min reviews the process model and decides to send it to Marcus, one of the lead developers. Marcus reviews the process model and is familiar with automating the systems involved. He tells Min that business process models like this one in BPMN format can be automatically transformed into an automation process outline, making the development of these models faster. Marcus uploads the BPMN document to A360, reviews the BPMN, and using Autopilot transforms the BPMN to a process. Marcus reviews the process in Process Composer and likes the process structure. He reviews a few of the generated automation task outlines and then assigns the various modules to members of his team. Each developer can now start the development process with a head start in terms of the Autopilot generated automation outlines and with a clear understanding of the business process as Alan intended. Let's review what happened here. Alan's work with his business process modeling tool now directly enhances the developer Marcus's productivity by creating an Automation Anywhere process that directly captures the business process task flow. Individual task outlines with structure, comments, and code give Marcus a head start in automating each individual task. The developers now can use additional features of Automator AI to assist them in developing the automation using generative AI. Copilot for Automators assists the developer in selecting automation command actions based on natural language requests, and Suggest Next Action assists the developer in filling in gaps in code when they are not sure what to do next. All of this is done within the context of best practices for coding and security with code analysis. Autopilot, part of Automator AI, utilizing a generative AI approach based on our custom language model, provides a powerful and unique solution based on an embedded experience for seamless workflow, single pane of glass across the entire automation program, acceleration of discovery to automation with best practices in governance, and self-heal at runtime. Marcus likes using all the features of Automator AI because they save him time in terms of direct coding and understanding the business processes he is automating, which in turn allows him and his team to automate more business processes, increasing business velocity and value. Min likes this because the automation COE can serve more internal customers, bringing more business value to the entire organization.